I want to quickly show you how to render non-Latin characters from a CSV export into a spreadsheet where they're more readable. And the reason for this is that we've had a lot of people notice that when you do something like a list view export or duplicate ID export, Arabic or Kurdish characters, or really any non-Latin characters, don't render properly. And that's just because CSV files really don't support that kind of formatting. But I'll show you how you can have it show up for you, have the characters render properly. So as an example, what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick duplicate ID export for these 4 cases. So I'm going to go into Actions, Export, Duplicate ID. I'm going to give this file a quick password. I'm going to call this Arabic duplicates. So when I click this, it's going to bring up my downloads directory. What I want to do is go into downloads, right-click on this this zip archive. You can see it's got the little zipper icon here. I'm going to right-click on this. I'm going to click Extract All, and I'm just going to extract the CSV file into my downloads directory. Just click on Downloads, select the folder, Extract, and you can see that my CSV file gets extracted right here. Now, if I click on this, what I want to show you is that when you first look at it, all these names that are in Arabic just kind of show up as gibberish. It's impossible to read. And I'm going to show you how to fix that. What we're going to do is we're going to go click on File. We're going to open a new blank workbook. And once we're in here, we're going to go up to Data. We're going to click Get Data. We're going to click From File and From Text CSV. And if we go into the Downloads directory and select our Arabic duplicates file, and click Import, you're going to see it brings up this wizard that allows you to import the data. Now, if you look in here, this still shows up as gibberish, which doesn't seem very helpful. The reason for that is it's trying to import the wrong formatting. And what you can do is if you go over to where it says File Origin, if you select this, you go, we're already down at the bottom of this list, but it's close to the bottom. It's going to be this option here that says 65001 Unicode UTF-8. And that just means it's universal formatting. If I click on this, you're going to see now suddenly in this preview, all of your Arabic characters render properly. Really important, you want the delimiter to be comma, and generally it's a good idea not to adjust this. So if we click Transform Data, you're going to see this little window pop up. It's going to render it for you. And I would just click Close and Load. And now you're going to see all of your data load into your new Excel workbook. There we go. And that's it. And now you can read these names exactly as they were originally typed in.